Uh-huh. This washing machine don't wash finish, oh. Okay. Hey, well, you know, open up. Wait a minute. What's the problem now? You know, open. I beg this washing machine. I use God name beg you. Open, make I remove my clothes. Especially my working clothes, they inside here and I they go work this evening. I beg. Open. Okay, okay. If you open for me, I promise I no go use you again. I beg, even at the use I used to make you vex. I no go use you again, I promise. I beg, just open. Okay. There's power in the tongue. Since now I don't beg you, you don't want, you be like in a strong hand you want. I command you to open right now. For where? Open.